Hello students of class 5, welcome to your mathematics lesson. I am Shubha sir and this mathematics lesson will be on the topic, a revision topic on division for the date 7th August 2020. Come on, let us start. The first topic that we shall discuss is division by 10, 100 and 1000. Now, for this topic, you do not have to do long division, you have to do your calculations mentally. How? First, division by 10. For a division by 10, what do we do? The quotient and the remainder will be obtained as, first let us understand for the remainder. The remainder will be the digit in the units place and the quotient will be everything that is left. For example, if we consider a number 496 divided by 10, in that case, the remainder will be only the digit in the units place, that is 6, and the quotient will be whatever is left, so therefore 49. Understood? Now, we do division by 100. Next, we do division by 100. Similarly, in 100, the remainder will be the digits in the units place and the hundreds place. And the tens place, sorry. The remainders will be in the digits of the units place and the tens place, and the quotient will be whatever is left. For example, we take a number 5684 divided by 100. So therefore, the digits in the units place and the tens place will be the remainder, and the quotient will be whatever is left of the original number. So therefore, since 84 has already been considered in remainder, the quotient will be 56. Last part, that is division by 1000. I hope you have all understood what will happen now. The remainder will be the tens digit, the hundreds digit and the ones digit, and the quotient will be whatever is left. For example, we take a number 7593 divided by 1000. The remainder will be the units digit, the tens digit and the hundreds digit. So 593 will be the remainder and the quotient will be 7. You know your formula, you can use your formula to check whether this problem is correct or not. This is for the topic division by 10, 100 and 1000. I am repeating it once again. For 10, the remainder will be only the digit in the units place and the quotient will be everything that is left from the original number. For 100, the remainder will be the digits in the ones place and the tens place, and whatever is left of the number will be the quotient. And for 1000, the remainder will be the digits in the ones place, the tens place and the hundreds place, and whatever is remaining of the number will go under quotient. This was the first topic that we needed to discuss. Now the second topic for our revision will be dividing a large number by a 3-digit number. That will be a topic. Example that we should consider is, say 212589 divided by 697. Now you have already received this in your lesson plan, so you can co-check with you can correlate with your lesson plan to see how I am doing it. So let us do it in the long division method. In the long division method, 212589 when divided by 697, the first 697 goes 3 times. 697 goes 3 times to give you 2091, and then we subtract it. We get 348. Now since 348 is lesser than 697, so we take a 0 here and multiply, and we get 3 zeros, which then we bring this 8 down. We get 3, 4, 8, 8. 8 is already down. We'll bring down the 9. We'll bring down the 9 here. 7. 307 or 305. 3485 and 4. So therefore here we have the quotient to be 305 and the remainder to be only 4. So I'll discuss this once again. We have the large number 212589 divided by 697, a 3-digit number. 697 3 times goes 2091. We subtract it and we are left with 3, 4. We bring down 8. Upon bringing down 8, we have 348. But since 348 is lesser than 697, so we put a 0 here and we multiply the 0, we get this 0, 0, 0. 348 is brought down along with 9. So we have multiplied 5 and we receive 3485 with the remainder of 4. A shortcut method or a short form method will be explained. Please listen to the short form very carefully because that is what is important also. The short form for discussing this method is, say we are dividing 697, we are dividing 212589. Right? First we are multiplying 3. What do we receive when we multiply 3? 2091. The remainder here till is 3, 4. We bring down 8. Now 348 is not divisible by 697 because it is lesser than 697. In such cases, when the remainder that we have obtained or the last number that we have obtained is not divisible by the divisor, what do? We place a 0 in the quotient. We place a 0 in the quotient and then we bring down the next digit. And then we bring down the next digit. And here we see that if we multiply 5, what do we receive? We receive that 3485. And the remainder is 4. If you check, here also the quotient is 305 and the remainder is 4. But here we have done it in a much shorter way, and this is also correct and the previous one is also correct. You can do either way you want. You will be receiving this lesson plan on the 7th of August. Practice from the book, refer to your mathematics book. Hope you are staying safe at home. Until we meet again, thank you students.